Nature's best bobtail.
Oh, good morning, Bella. Bob's suddenly woken up. If you've been missing it, we've been assessing some of our golden moments at the Paralympics, and one man who certainly stands in that group of elite Paralympians now is Michael Lawrence. He won bronze in the men's shot put. He had previously won gold medals for shot put in the 1996, 2000 and 2004 Paralympics. The 52-year-old, get that, who suffers from spinal problems, said that he was more excited about this bronze medal than about any of his previous, and that's awesome. Yeah.
It's unbelievable. Another person is Anroon Liebenberg, won a bronze medal in the 200 meters women athletics. She set an African record when she ran the 200 meters in a time of 25.79 seconds. She was born with a stunted arm but makes light of a disability, saying you're not disabled by your disability, you're abled by your ability.
Oh, I love that. Print that on a t-shirt somewhere. Now, one person who was, I think, over the moon at the performance of Team SA is our sports minister, Fikile Mbalula, whom we know has really taken this opportunity to get out there in front of the world press and express just how South Africa feels about our stars. Let's hear what he had to say.
It's a proud moment indeed. I've got not so much to say except to say, South Africa, brace yourself when we come with the heroes and heroines from London, carrying medals, loads and loads of gold we bring back, which was taken from the motherland. And we're taking it back to South Africa. And we say, long live Team South Africa, long live South Africa. God bless South Africa. Nkosi sikelele Africa. Morena buluka sichaba sa Yesu. Long live.
Long live South Africa.
He is such a big fan of Team South Africa. He proved it at the Olympics and at the Paralympics once again.
Oh, what a character. We're going to continue with more from the Paralympics, but first, let's take a quick break and then get into our Express headlines and bring you up to speed with the traffic as well.